puts on instant firming benefits with Antioxidant Hydramist, a refreshing toner that helps firm and lift the skin while helping to reduce dryness and fine lines. Fortified with an age-smart complex of polypeptides and stabilized vitamin C, regular application of Antioxidant Hydramist also helps reduce the signs of skin aging by stimulating collagen formation and activating the skin's natural tissue growth factor. Apply directly to the face and neck, avoiding the eyes, after cleansing and throughout the day to provide the skin with this invisible treatment shield that helps to firm the skin, treat the underlying causes of skin aging, and protect against environmental assault. Visit your local Dermalogica Skin Center to find Antioxidant Hydramist and receive a personalized Dermalogica face mapping skin analysis and your recommended products.